Hey, today we're going to do a taste test with the Supreme Meats Wrap. Sounds good. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to Subway, get us one of their wrap sandwiches. This time we're going to get that Supreme Meats, I think it is, wrap. Sounds good. We're going to order it on our app. It'll be ready when we get there. Let's do it. All right, let's go find that app. Subway right there. How many of you are eating these Subway sandwiches? I kind of like them. They're very good. Let's see. Fresh Melts wraps right there. Supreme Meats. It says, the flavors of Italy all wrapped up in one delicious heavenly wrap. We roll up new Italian-style capicola, pile on thick sliced black forest ham, Genoa Salami, pepperoni in a tomato basil wrap with provolone, lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, tangy bell peppers, and finally topped with our famous Parmesan Vinaigrette, I think it is. Hope I pronounced that right. Well, let's see what we're going to get. There's the basil, okay. Protein, it comes with that. Pepperoni and all that. Comes with provolone, okay. I think I'm going to cut the lettuce this time. Tomatoes, red onions, bell peppers. I'm not going to add any of those others on there. Comes with that Parmesan Vinaigrette. I hope I say that right. If I don't, let me know. Leave me a comment. Tell me if I'm saying it wrong. What else are we going to add? Peppercorn ranch? No, we've already got that one sauce already on there, so I'm not going to add bacon or any of that. So let's add it to the cart. Not going to get a drink this time. I think we're about ready to head that way. Let's see. See our little sack up there, our bag? Click on that. Okay, there it is. It's $8.99. Cut the sandwich. No special things. Tax and everything, $9.73. Continue. In-store pickup. Yeah. There's our card. Place the order. Processing your order. Hold on tight. Okay. It's about as tight as I can hold on right there, I think. I think it's done. Don't forget your favorites. Okay. In-store pickup on Good Street. Yeah, that's where I'm going. All right. I think we're done. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We're back from Sonic. We picked up a wrap sandwich this time. It's the Supreme Meats Wrap. Tomato basil wrap, provolone cheese, tomatoes, onions, banana peppers, and vinaigrette sauce, I think it is. Let's see what it is, okay? We didn't get a drink this time. I had one here at the house I was already drinking on, so we didn't get a drink. Is. Let me cut it. Almost cut it anyway. Didn't quite get it cut in half, but we'll finish that up. Alright, here we are. Let's see what we got here. Whoops, coming unwrapped a little bit right there. We'll just pull that off, get it out of the way. There it is. Ham, provolone, cheese. This looks like salami. And it's wrapped up in here. Oh, that does look good. We'll try that out and see what it does. I think I'm ready to eat it. I've never had that sauce before. It's called MVP Parmesan Vinaigrette. I hope it is. I think that's the way you say it. If it's not the right way, let me know. Okay? Let's try it. pretty good. Three different kinds of meat in it. I'm not overly fond of that sauce, but it's pretty good. How many of you have tried this one? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it. My drink. Been drinking on this all day, so that's why I didn't order one at Subway. I think next time if I get this, I'll leave that sauce off and put ranch on it. I think it'd be better for me anyway. I like ranch better. Not real fond of this sauce. I do like the ham and the salami. What else did it come with? Onions, banana peppers. I've never put banana peppers on my sandwich before. This one came with it. They're pretty good. Give me a drink. A little spicy, not bad, but a little bit. I had a viewer tell me I need to try the meatball sandwich. Sounds pretty good. I think I will. I really wanted to try one of these wraps first. It's good, but it's not my favorite. If you have a suggestion for a sandwich for me to try, leave me a comment. I read all comments and answer them all, so. Drink. I drink a Dr. Pepper, by the way. I'm a big fan of Dr. Pepper. If you have a suggestion for one for me to try, leave me a comment. We'll check it out, get it up here for you. I'm sure y'all don't want to sit here and watch me eat this, so we'll say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And check out our other videos under Taste Test, Subway, Sonic. They're under 3 different PlayStations there. Boy, this has got my tongue all twisted up. They're under playlist. There we go. All right. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video. I got people sending me baseball card packs and just various things like that. We'll video them, get them up here for you. If you'd like to leave a donation, there's links in the description below to Patreon, PayPal, both. We'll get them up here for you. Okay? See you next time. I think I'll have a couple more bites of this before I quit.
A little messy. Tomato. A tough job, but somebody has to do this, so I'll do it. Well, sorry to talk with my mouth full. I think that's enough for this video. We'll finish eating this after it's over, and we'll see you next time.